So if you want to buy a really cool in-town, beautiful house that looks like your nonna's, there's a little surprise at the end, so watch it till the end. Thanks to Federico for finding this little gem in the city. We're gonna see a house, a big house, right?
Allora,
Grande questa casa.
sì, grande 4 room. Allora, bedroom 2 and 3. 2 bedroom.
I don't know what we're seeing.
Ingresso indipendente.
His sales things are, you have your own door. This is
Questa
independent.
è indipendente.
Ooh.
Indipendente, prezzo fantastico.
What's the price?
Dopo.
After? Are you kidding? What a
Later.
tease. Oh, I love this.
Era una casa
I would
di
call it the Nonna house.
una famiglia importante di
A
Fivizzano.
very important family of Fivizzano lives
Sì,
there.
scale in marmo,
Okay, marble stairs.
ferro.
What's happening back here?
Ok.
You know I go to all the shitty places first,
Ok.
come on.
Allora, lì c'è una cantina sotto.
Oh, so this is a cantina.
Qui abbiamo
right?
una stanza.
Okay, can you open this? Aperto questo. I would
Allora,
like to see.
adesso qui purtroppo non abbiamo la chiave di questo e questo è chiuso.
What the heck?
E il proprietario le sta cercando.
So immagina, I mean, questa.
No, ora la vediamo.
Ok,
Da sopra
we'll
lo
get to see
vediamo.
it, ok.
Qui c'è la caldaia, boiler.
God. Proviamo questo.
Sì.
You know, Italy, it's just a puzzle within a puzzle within a pickle, you know? No. Well, we tried. I want to know what this is. Is this where all the dead bodies are buried? No, it's a cantina downstairs.
Proviamo prima sopra.
This is cool. More storage downstairs.
Lì c'è una cantina.
There's a basement too. This is a really cool property. To live in Italy, you have to be, you know, stair happy.
Allora, qui facevano sempre il bagno.
This is so dumb. It's like,
Ma qui
what
vediamo
the
sopra.
heck?
Un bagno panoramico.
Nice. Public toilet.
Potenzial.
Potential for what? It's like, hello. First thing you see in my house is my toilet.
Office.
This is strange. Maybe, you know what, a cute office would be cute.
Yeah,
here.
it'd be great.
Yeah, Steven just said office. Office is cute.
Okay.
I like that. So this is, I think, all on one floor.
Un piano.
Yeah. My grandmother's apartment was all one floor like this.
Flower. Incredibile.
We had the same floor in the other place, and you weren't that, you know, hysterical. I mean,
Nice.
yeah, this is actually quite nice.
Questo è good, eh?
Yeah, it's nice.
Good e good.
I mean, there's zero view here, just so that we're clear, but you're in the city, so
Because-
that's part of it.
Perché la vista è di là.
The vista is on the other side. Okay. Very nice sized rooms, I will say. I do like this house. I think it's cool. This could be your bedroom and this could be your bathroom right here. You've got lots of potential. It's the pantry right now, but I don't know that you really need that. This is the kitchen. I think it's fine as a kitchen. I don't think you would move it. I think
Ora qui è rotta la maniglia purtroppo.
Okay, so
e non
that's
riusciamo a
broken
aprire.
and he can't open it, so we can't see the view. But we can see Federico. Yeah, I love the outline. I could see where everything was. I don't mind that little window there. That's kind of cute to leave that and make that your bathroom. And then this could be the dining room over here and the living room. Open up this wall right here and just make it one big room. I especially like the fluorescent light in here. This I would just leave because this is a moment, as we say. I mean, seriously.
Cose d'elettriche.
So Italians, this is probably the dining room, and Italians really like it super bright. Like you'll walk into restaurants here and you'll go, what's up with the lighting? Because it's like LAX airport. that you're eating. You're like on the runway eating. You know, I really like this. I think it's fantastic.
Living room.
Okay. Oh, you want to go to the living room? Please, please. Please, sir, after you.
Metano.
We know there's a radiator. These are there are doors apparently and radiators.
Door. Ti piacciono le
I
porte?
like the doors. Yeah, no, I like all of it. I don't love this thing.
No, quello.
But
Living room. Very, very nice floor. Feast.
it is a pretty view.
No problem, sì.
Oh,
E alla sera?
the sun rises there and
Yes.
it sets there. Okay. Yes, that's true.
Sole di
Because
là.
with my house, the same thing. I like it. I like this. I like this house. Okay, so how much is this house?
How much?
Yeah, come here. Come tell me. Drum roll, please.
How much?
Quanto costa questa casa?
85,000.
85,000.
In the centro Fivizzano.
Oh my God.
No apartments.
And really nice high ceilings.
A surprise.
This lighting fixture, I don't even know what to say. I don't think I've ever seen anything like that in my life. It's like a medallion
Romano.
for a chandelier.
Surprise. Area. Property.
No,
Garden.
you have a garden?
Sì, small garden.
Oh my God.
Sì. Si accede al giardino da quella porticina
I
chiusa.
like it. I mean, these windows are great.
Finestre ok.
Yeah,
Riscaldamento ok.
yeah. The heat works, the electricity, you got plumbing. I think this would be very easy to pop into for 20 grand, get it all done, right? $20,000, you're in. You have a house in Italy. It's not higher.
You're moving the bathroom out of the hallway.
No, you keep the bathroom
Just
in there, just work
upstairs,
around
just
it.
move it upstairs.
So that's
No,
15,000
Stephen, no, that's not what Stephen meant. Stephen meant it's a toilet, but he would work in there.
Sit on the toilet while you work.
He wouldn't turn it into an office. He would just, it would be his office, come into my office.
Multitask.
And if you'd like to take a poo, you can do that too. It's just a one-stop shop. I like it. All right, 20 to 40, depending on what you do here. But you could just move in as well, right?
You just in the hall.
No, use that as a bathroom. I mean, just literally move in and then figure your stuff out. I mean, it's move-in ready. You don't have to do anything to it. You don't even have to change the fabulous chandeliers, you know. I like it. It's cool.
Sì.
Okay. Hey, if you have a house in the Lunigiana region and you'd like us to come and look at it and feature us on our YouTube videos, go ahead and write to Stephen. His link is below. See you there. So, well done. I really like this property. I think this is a great property in town, right near the center. Actually kind of nice because it's away from the city center. So if there are festivals and stuff, you're on the other side of it. Walk down to the market every Tuesday. It is a nice big feeling space, which is good. 1 bedroom, 1 bathroom. You can have an office with or without the toilet in it. It has a beautiful dining room, good sized kitchen, nice living area, little balcony, large windows. I think it's fantastic. And you have your own little garden.
The garden.
And you have a little garden.
Good price.
A lot of storage because there's 2 different cantinas. There's a laundry room downstairs, you know, easy peasy. I love it. Grand hallway. It looks cool when you walk in. So for 83,000 euros, is that correct?
85,000.
85,000. So it's around 100 grand, you know, $100,000.
In the centro Fivizzano.
In the center of Fivizzano. Come on. Right. Okay. So we're going to give it 4 thumbs up. I love it. So far, so good. If you got this far, thanks a lot for liking and subscribing and watching the entire video. And we're going to see you at the next location, right?
Subscribe.
And listen to this guy.